Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we were discussing the exercise 11.2, that is on profit and loss. So we have seen question number 1 and 2. Okay. So the question number 3, we have solved one question A. Now I am going to solve question number B. Okay, here cost price is given and loss is given. You have to find out what? Selling price. Okay, let's see. So students, here you can see CP is given 5674, loss is given 509, and you have to find the SP. So loss is given, then we'll apply the formula of loss. Okay, so what is the formula of loss? Loss equal to CP minus SP, right? Now put the values. Loss is given 509, so right here 509 equal to CP is given 5674 and SP have to find out. Now what we do, we'll transfer the numbers. So here you can see SP is negative. So whatever quantity you have to find out, you have to make it positive. Understood? Always remember this. So this is negative, that means it is minus. So we'll bring this to this side. That means we'll transfer this side. And this 509 will go this side. Okay. So SP. So minus SP will become plus SP. That means it will become positive. So whenever any quantity is transferred, that means the sign will change. Minus SP will become plus SP equal to this 5674. This 509 is there. So 509 is what? Positive. That means plus. So when it will transfer here, this side, it will become negative. So it will be what? Minus 509. Okay. Now minus both the things and you will get the answer. So it is what? 5165. Okay. So this is the SP. That means this is the cost selling price. Okay. So in this way you have to find the selling price. So whenever loss is given, you have to apply the formula of loss. Whenever profit is given, you have to apply the formula of profit and then do the transferring. Okay, transferring of the numbers and this quantity which you have to find out. Understood? Now next C and D do you by yourself in your homework. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4A. Raman bought a bicycle for rupees 2580. Bought a bicycle, that means this is the cost price CP, and made a profit of rupees 845. So this is profit is given. How much did he sell the bicycle for? That means what is the selling price? You have to find out the SP. CP is given and profit is given. You have to find out the SP. Okay, let's see. Now here cost price of bicycle is given 2580 and profit by selling the bicycle is given 845 rupees. Now how do you have to find out? You have to find out the SP. So profit is given, that means we'll apply the formula of profit. So profit equal to what? SP minus CP. Okay. So now put all the values. Profit value is what? 845. SP you have to find out. You have to leave as it is. Minus CP is given 2580. Okay. Write like this. Now transfer the quantities. Here see SP you have to find out. That means it is already in plus. It is in positive. So no need to transfer this. We'll transfer this number 2580 because it is minus here. So it will transfer in this side and it will become plus. So 845 plus 2580 equal to SP. Now add both the numbers, then you'll get the SP. Here the answer is 3425. So it is the SP. Now write the last what is asked in the question. So at last you have to write down. Hence Raman sold the bicycle for rupees 3425. So in this way you have to write at the last, because this is a word problem. You have to write the sentence. Okay. Now next problem, B number. Shopkeeper bought 50 pence for rupees 100. Okay, 50 pence rupees 100. That means 100 rupees is the cost price. He then sold each pen for rupees 2.5. That means one pen cost 1 pen selling price. Sold means selling price. So selling price of 1 pen is 2.5 rupees. But how many pens he bought? 50 pens. So 50 pens cost 100 rupees. But selling price of 1 pen is 2.5 rupees. Find his profit or loss. So what happened? Profit happened or loss happened? So you have to calculate what this is given, what price of cost price of 100 no, so cost price of 50 pence is given 100 rupees. You have to find out first of all the selling price of 50 pence, because 1 pen selling price is given 2.5. So what is the selling price of 50 pence? First of all you have to find out this, then you will see profit or loss happening. Okay, let's see. So here cost price of 50 pence is given rupees 100. The selling price of 1 pen is given what? Rupees 2.5. So you have to find out the selling price of 50 pence, because 50 pence cost price is given 100. So selling price also you have to find of 50 pence. So selling price of 50 pence is equal to what? You have to multiply 2.5 and 50. Then you will get the selling price of 50 pence. So 2.5 into 50. So what is the answer? So here it is coming rupees 125. Okay, so selling price SP of 50 pence is rupees 125. Now you will compare, now you will see which is greater here, which is greater, CP or SP. So here CP is 100 and SP is 125. That means here SP is greater than CP, because 125 SP and 100 is CP. So SP is greater than CP, that means profit. Okay, when SP is greater than CP, that means profit is there. So you have to find out now profit, how much profit he got. So profit formula equal to what? SP minus CP. So SP is 125 and CP is 100 rupees. So 125 minus 100 is 25 rupees. So how much profit happened? So 25 rupees profit got. Okay, so here profit of selling pen is what? Rupees 25. So in this way you have to solve this question. So it is very important according to the exam point of view. Okay, now question number C. Apurva purchased a tea set for rupees 545.35 and sold it for rupees 620.75. Find her profit or loss. So here it's a very simple question. It is directly given. 545 is the CP. It is the cost price of tea set. So this CP is given here 545, and SP sold it for rupees this one, that means this is selling price, this is SP. So you have to find whether it is profit or loss. So here you can clearly see that selling price is greater than cost price, that means SP is greater than CP, that means profit happened. So you have to minus it only. Okay, profit equal to SP minus CP. So 620.75 minus 545.35, then you will get the profit answer. Okay, so you do by yourself this one. Next question number D. Amit sold a piano for rupees 6,595 and at a loss of 325. What was the cost price of piano? That means in this question, here selling price is given 6,595, loss is given 325, and you have to find the cost price of the piano. Okay, now let's do it. So here in this question, selling price of piano equal to 6,595 and loss is 325. So when loss is there, you have to apply the formula of loss. So what is the loss formula? Loss equal to CP minus SP. Okay, now put all the values. Loss is given 325 and CP you have to find out, and SP value is given 6595. Okay, now again we will do the transferring process. Here you have to find out the CP and it is positive, so no need to transfer this one. We will transfer this minus 6595 to this side, because when now it is in minus, when it will go this side then it will become plus. So 325 plus 6595 equal to CP. Now add these two numbers. So answer is 6920. So CP is what? 6,920. So at last you will write like this. Hence the cost price of piano is 6,920. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay, understood? So in this way our exercise 11.2 is complete, and in this way this chapter money is also complete. Okay, so practice properly, and if you have doubt then ask me. Okay, thank you.